So this is our, we call this our brush truck. This is for like wildland fires, if you will.
Oh yeah.
These two are mainly for our in-city response. So my seat is up here today, kind of running the show. My driver, he's in the back, and then my firefighter here.
So, yeah.
There's the lights on it.
Oh yeah. I won't blast the air horn, guys, because feels good. Yeah. QDB, air horns, and the control lights. This is the new PA300 series, guys. Just one of those switches you guys might find out. And here they are, solid metal. And if you ought to know, if that is the fire truck's cue on the bottom, some of them have them on the bottom, but most of them, well, some of them do. Even this one. So that means that fire truck was completely based on the some type of metal fab series. So yeah. So pretty interesting looking fire truck out there. Now to the engine quattro. Oh, that feels so good. So yeah, each of those are made of clear rubber, and with those chains, guys, they're not really in the same. They're not really in a different position. So those are about in the other side. So, and as you guys see, those are not really those controls of the lights, and those are the controls of the whatever it is. This one is a cube. So yeah, always notice how much federal cues they've gotten in Arkansas, guys. And here is the older PA 300. The fire truck is 18 years old, so it still has the vintage one, I think, or this must be the new one. So leave me a comment below if you guys have like those type of sirens like that. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. Engine 4, engine 2, and brush number 1, Walkaround. High five, bro. Yeah. You high five? Yeah. What about you, bro? High five. I always have speak to fire trucks, guys. I'm always passing you.